Are you wondering if Licypriya is actually participating in the UN program or not? Let's find out. After the news break that she is going to represent India in the UN program, a media report came out here in Impale that claims that the information is fake. She had clarified the report while maintaining that she is participating in the program. She also shared the confirmation letter she received in her Facebook post. Since then there's a question among the people of Manipur, if her participation is true or a fake one. We will tell you if it is fact or fake. Stay tuned, but let's first hear what she said in her latest Facebook post.
Finally, I decided not to attend the program in Geneva next month as I am completely in depression. Even my visa and flight tickets was ready. This is not the way to treat your Ningal. Thanks for killing my career by one local paid media in Impale by spreading lies to the people about me in the name of my father. I have seen one unwanted pictures today of my father spreading by someone which defame my life in front of my friends. But to know the truth, United Nations uploaded my invitation cum confirmation letter in their official website in this link. Note, this link you can share now as maximum as possible as it will be available for few hours only just to clarify the doubt of the people. They may delete it anytime. I didn't share my invitation letter full before because few people may try to malign my image by contacting the invitation's sender or UNISDR expose my conference ID number and signature name. It's privacy of someone. Thanks for the understanding and love. Just know my invitation letter is not a fake propaganda like a cheap media. I will get many opportunities and chances in future. Never mind. Thanks Manipur Sanalipak. Picture is me addressing a similar program of UN in 2018. Some people may question why not in podium? The answer is I can't reach the height of the podium in standing mode to reach the microphone.
So now let's find out if it's true that she get the confirmation letter actually or not. In order to participate in the UN program, one must apply in the registration section of the official website of the program. I have given the official website in the description. Registration was valid till October 2018 and confirmation are given to only some select applicants since UN cannot accommodate all the applicants. Each of the participants of the side events under Ignite stage are entitled 3 minutes to present their views. We don't know if Licypriya is participating in the side events or has been approved for the longer time slot. But we certainly know that the confirmation letter she shared in her Facebook post is true. You also can check the confirmation letter from the official website of UNISDR. I have given the link in the description below. You also can double check by entering another ID number and you will know that she has been approved to participate in the program. Since the confirmation letter she shared checks out, we can safely say that the report that she will represent India in the program is true, but she said in her Facebook post that she will no longer participate in the program thanks to the report claiming it to be fake. We don't know if she is saying that out of frustration or if she has made up her mind. But we at the Kanglinfo Leisure really want her to participate in the program and raise her voice for a safer and better future. We all wish you a grand success in your endeavor, Licypriya. May God bless you. So guys, what do you think if the report is fact or fake? Feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.